Mami ma akwaba emfa umbra Ghana nsem TV JHS so wofre me adwoa searching.
Abusiafo eno ye kwa akwati aba election. Mo amunim de ekosi yakori se poto. Eho ya kan mamu mponie na ka yakotamale ho de anka enim de ebesi. Achim misami ka se ho ya achim eho no na Kevin Taylor ka se o mo hina enum kankan no. Still o makoto aba ne de ama NDC. Eyo ma ya de. Na mom de ka kire MPP mpanifo no mo kọ primaries ne se omun krofo no mukasa ma omu TikTok ha na omun kasa nkyere wo omu omun ka chom so munya chimi no na primacy ni ye ko yenya atamfo no omu ba media ne so omun ka dia omu candidate betini aye she jo Mahama Bible so me nkunu mu na wo koi jo Mahama Bible 9 months mu no wo wure wo mo bla bia double track system na na kufu ado de ba ye no Mahama si wanti mintie na ibisi nkwala na omuchu odisi anom mitonyame Mahama feli nkwala no bini na yeje ato ho ene china na Brian Crawford attack Kennedy na Kennedy Crawford attack Baumia na Baumia Crawford attack Brian mon kanto mon Crawford no mukasama mo media ne so munja chimi no yensuro obi a mon kanchira wo mo mon kanto mo so mu ye mpanyifo mon flo mon kokode mo kasanchira wo mo se mo ba o munya didi atamo no muye mpanifo eya mo na se muchi o mu ko se mo na mo ya o mu de yom mo ma mu se mo ba ya san na o mo ba to mo ba media ne so a o mu kanya sasam no munya chimi no na nsem na o mo ka no afeti party no yantina ma mo ma ye pressure some of us ye worry ye nimma ye ma mo ma ye pressure ansan ya kwaware akwawo ye benyinya yare enti mpanifo no mo kwa primacy no mon kasanche mon
PP, you are not like that, so don't make yourself like that. Don't make yourself like that. Now, we went into an election. Nanado, Nyame. We went into an election. For the first time, we were trying to do something extraordinary. It didn't happen. And the contributing factors, can be attributed to another candidate here. Which is a fact. They can try to play the dog game that they play, but that is the fact. That is the honest fact. Onumbo said, Obi call election, no, President Kufuor, it took 8 years for him to erase some amount of deficit. And into your non-logics, no. How many months do we, or how many years do we think it would take for Baumia to conquer 1.7 million or whatsoever? Right then, I'm going to say, Charlie, Mama Yen is serious. Uti, Mama Yen is serious. Now, politicians normal fine for too much. Now, the Ayame say, they say this with huge confidence. I don't know who their advisors are. I don't know whether they read into what they give them to read. Just that you don't even know where they get that from. But Mahama, how many votes? 6 million. Say 6 million. In Tianfani said the deficit was 1.7. Mepacho Dr. Baumia then 4.2 million. In Tifa 1.7 million come 4.2 million. Who bet me win election? Please, Mama Yan and Temnianko. Social media, yeah, the youth. Maybe say a question. No. Yeah, Papa Kennedy Japan, and then ya wakoya amana be trending. Or say Mr. X, find the X no. I think the message should be Ken should find his own self. We need to calculate the formula for him. For Ken to find his own self. Because I know you're a philanthropist. Ade na me de ma say de be ya obeba be support me. Ade wa me support me de na de ade ma me no fabre me na say me de begu animu ase. So maybe we should help him to find himself. Lead a champion Michelle. No, seriously, AJ. I just perform it here. Me personally, I don't think we need to find X. We need to help Honorable Kennedy Japan find himself because he has to find himself. As he speaks, he doesn't have himself. He belongs to the Dankwadumbu tradition, yet he wants to do better than Nkrumah. He idolizes Nkrumah as Ononeyi, but yet Nkrumah has a party that is implementing the policies of Nkrumah and the ways of Nkrumah, but he doesn't want to join that. Nenye beyi na abura opese opo party akwesi party obi a wona ne kwakoye interview. Senye nsem keke na opese wo keka na wo ton wo party de ma wo tamfo a eye den na akotena wo tamfo anim koye interview. President Gov't the free maternal care by wa anya hwe. School feeding program by wa anya hwe. School health insurance scheme by wa anya hwe. Ekufuado free education wa anya hwe. Until who you idolize is what is Nkrumah. Yet Nkrumah has a party that needs a strong leader. That is the only thing they are not winning. They are not. Nkrumah has a party that you admire, but you are not using that. Why? Yes, humble bacon. The West will not go and try and use evil stuff and say evil things about their opponent just because they want power, so that that same thing will be used against them during the major campaign. The West don't do politics like that. But when your candidate does something stupid like that, you are able to come and defend because you love him. And no matter what he does, you see no evil here, no evil, you're going to support it, even if he goes at the detriment of your party. You guys have no shame. That's the problem with you people. You guys have no shame. Like, Muni shame. It's like, this is where Ghana presidency has come to. Maybe I did Ghana presidency. Well, number one, for Ken supporters or who supporters are mobile, I'm still yet to get a policy direction. He said something about party seeker. Now, yes, you'll be contributing 4.6 million Ghana cedis. The minimum say candidates in year 5. And I'm a boy. Candidates in year 5. Until you say Obia and Feb. Me patro, I know what to say. I will do to my press conference. Say in a party for so moon this canteen. I just say me come on 4.6. Mate say. One more keka hon akwa year press conference and as aching kofo ekojina say so metua says kanana no what it be maybe some seriously me say ye num ene ye den share dem mu e ka asumsem e de kire yen me boa adentin na the other ones ne so mfa ma bonten emfem megu omo party animu as say party say ye niska intimo ma yiska intimi kotua 4.6 million. Why didn't the other candidate do the same? So we are in the campaign moment into obia the bejene samba penny odue mate mante penny odue mate mante. Dia wo kraman hu a wo ponu wu no ejinamo hu a obu na nichie wo ye pani a ne bi wo wa wo mfa wo hu njijim. To be honest with you, I personally I believe say Honorable Ken should, because he just says a Ghana full soup no. So why do you even need a political party? Make it make sense to me. In your own mouth, no, Ghana for Sufra Sebra Betty come and be our president. Let me alone. Snob MPP. Because math MPP just was 6 million people. 6 million people who are voters that would actually go and vote. Ghana force population to abandon 18 to 20 million people. If you ban the vote, even vote. Now me say I have the goodwill of the people. Say ne me didn't kotobalo also say as an independent and as the impo as CPP candidate and I say impo as abro party. So no aka no mate abro party. Yeah, you know the DBCC Ghana the bear tourism. Now me to me who say Ghana fully na be dimechia. Mr. Metina party ni mu. Na party no ahame. Na party no stop me chances of coming to give Ghanaians the God-given talent he has given me. You are a selfish man then. You don't want Ghana to progress. And Kromane, you are near you now. JB down can move one now. But what Ghana is so no Yama Ghana no. What the petty. Or cotton the petty and or the J Ghana see ho. Into we yep a yin and some more bibia woman, and can you follow your own day, you follow your own thing. But like he promised us, MPP for Munye party now own free. But Obehamopa. And never seen you could make another year. Your first stop at a unity talk is for you to go and pin the people against leadership. Party DDA. No first message. If the party DDA no, dear na what so obey ya afraid the women organize and the party man ye be ya to abe went to me and can do. You see how he misses opportunities. That's why I'm saying, say the people following him, I don't think say they want the man to be any president to be. He is same united. That is all they want to do. That is how I see it. Your first stop, it is a unity talk. And Kaokura for you to see, say, and conform those when you against such rebino, minianum, no correct election, you call, uncle ye. Na yeni na yenim se niama bibiri ene si enti ama no koba no sa na enu nti na ama me kura Kennedy na matiesim se this time no me pese me den hihye A B C D ba se de be ya ye be protect your vote ba na ye ma me no na se be nyimu ni na na mu digwa e be ka se ye bere muska de ekodigwa nti ne none no policy ne bia ne se me na me ne den yemfa de ma me ndi asif so ba or se be or the 2 minute be shine say sleep at 6 o'clock.